Hi, it's Jasio here, and I'm going to show you how you can make your own compass with just a few household materials. All you need is a copper bowl of water, some paper and scissors, a sewing needle, and a magnet. Any magnet will do. I'm just using this magnet on the back of this back clip, and some tape. So first things first, you're going to cut your paper to a small circle with a diameter about the length of your needle. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to support your needle. Then I'm going to magnetize my needle by rubbing this magnet on it. And what we're doing is we're magnetizing this needle so that this needle now has its own north and south pole, like any magnet does. And you just want to scrub it for a few seconds to make sure it is fully magnetized and acts as a magnet temporarily. Okay, that's good enough. Now I'm going to grab my tape and just tape this onto this little paper, which is just to support it and keep it from falling in the water, like that. And we're going to see what happens when we drop it in. So you can already see it's starting to turn on its own. And here I have a compass on a phone app where N and this little red arrow are pointing towards north. And our compass should also point in the same direction as north. So we're going to just wait until our compass stops moving and its north and south poles align with the north and south poles of the planet Earth. So you can see it's starting to slow down, it's stabilizing, and right about there, it's not moving anymore, and it's pointing the same direction as north. So we saw our little needle slowly aligned itself north. And I'm going to explain why that is. So when we magnetize our needle, we gave it a north and south pole. Now the whole planet Earth, has a north and a south pole. So the Earth has its own magnetic field that is so powerful since it's so big that it caused our needle to move and align itself with it. So the Earth, you can kind of treat it as a giant magnet. And the reason it's a giant magnet is because there's a lot of liquid, really hot metal at Earth's core that's slowly moving around. And all those giant bodies of metal moving around cause an electric current to be formed. And with the Earth's own rotation, as it orbits around and everything, that in combination with the giant bodies of moving metal cause a magnetic field. So the Earth has a north and south pole. And it's the crazy, enormous powers and forces of the Earth that you can see demonstrated on this tiny needle.